Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and this morning's job is this beautiful red FN2. As you can see, it's pretty clean, it's looking nice. Today we are fitting a catback exhaust system to make a little bit of noise, a little bit of power, and then we're going to get it mapped up. So that's going to be lovely. Here's our EG Civic, for those of you who haven't seen it before. Going supercharged shortly, this one. Morning, Richard.
Hello.
You look happy? It's Tuesday, you know, it's not Monday.
Why are you filming me?
Well, because we're making a video, this is what we do.
Start charging you £5 every time you video.
You get more than that on your OnlyFans page, don't you?
Yeah, it's doing well at the minute.
You do still put Star Wars figures up your mum, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. So here's the new exhaust that's going on the FN2, and it's polyvalves, looking very, very nice. Twin exit. Jason! Oh. Jason, what are you doing? Get the exhaust on that car.
Yeah, completely.
Look at this. Look how close that is to the tyre.
I mean, even that one's close, but it's not as far over as that one.
No, it's well up.
Clear of the bumper, it sits in the centre of the hole. Yeah, you look through the centre of through the piece at the back as well.
Yeah, well, it's just not right, is it? It needs bending.
Well, it needs modifying, doesn't it? By the look of it. Well, it's clear to the floor there.
Yeah, the rest of it fits nice.
Right, okay, but the rest of it's not too bad then, is it?
No, it's just that one there.
Shots, mate, because I've got a better camera than you.
Ah, you're well cool, Rich. Your camera's well better than mine, mate.
Mate, because your phone was designed around a brick and probably has about as much memory left in it as a brick.
It's an iPhone 11, guys, just so that everyone knows. I'm waiting for my contract to expire. Just so that everybody knows.
Just in case anyone cares.
Just in case anyone thinks that...
It's not an iPhone 11.
What is it?
It's an iPhone XR.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah,
iPhone XR.
That's older than an iPhone 11 done.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why it's slow as shit.
And we're now on a 12 Pro Max.
Oh, lardy-dardy. I know. Well, back to for today. Like I said, red one. We just fitted a twin exit Japspeed exhaust system onto it that needed modifying. So bear that in mind. There'll be a little video of us messing about with that, trying to get that to fit properly, and I shall be speaking to Japspeed about it. But yeah, it's on and it's warming up. We're going to centralise it on the dyno, and then we're going to do a power run. What do we think to these guys? I think it looks pretty, but does it flow? I'm not sure.
Right, ready
It does look nice. I was born ready, Rich. there's another one done, and that's the end of play today. As you can see, the blue line in the gains that we made on this FN2. We have finished on 213 brake, which is 179 wheel horsepower. So remember, if you're comparing dynos or comparing tuners, it's wheel horsepower that you want to be looking at. Yeah, pretty good. That's bloody noisy, isn't it?
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.